What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back now with a video, and today we're looking at the Mini Air 11 and this is the special edition. Let's go ahead and open this up and review it today. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is the Mini Air 11 that we reviewed in this channel before, but we're gonna show you this special edition. Let's see what's the difference. Here we go. Look at the box. Some beautiful box by Geekom. So open this guy up. Oh, little name there, Geekom. Has this opening door here. Let's open this up. Boom. That's what you get out of the box. So you get this little mascot right here. It's also the mini PC right here with a customized Geekom logo up there. Very nice looking. Let's open up the mouse pad as well. Soft covering at the front here. Sturdy back as well. There's the Geekom logo and their motto up here. Accessory box, as you can see here. Thank you letter from Geekom. There's a bag as well to carry your PC. Power adapter. HDMI cable. A mini display port to HDMI dongle. User manual. And it comes with a VESA mount, so you could mount it on the back of your TV. It also comes with screws so that you can do that. And that's it. And there it is, as you can see here. Again, a very nice glossy top here with a custom logo up there, the Geekom. The front of the Mini Air 11 has a USB-C, USB 3 slot, a headphone jack, and the power button. There's also a slot for lock. The backside has a big fan on the top, the DC adapter, mini display port, Ethernet slot, 2 USB 3s, USB-C, and an HDMI slot. And then the other side has an SD reader. The top is removable so that you can customize it to whatever you want. As you can see here, if you remove the top, it will show the fan. Pretty big fan as well. The inside has a 256 gigs NVMe SSD. This is expandable. You can swap this up to 1 terabyte as well. And it has 2 slots for RAMs. It already has an 8 gig RAM. You can add another one for a maximum of 16 gigs of RAM. These are also DDR4s. Now I was able to hook up one monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, powered up the Govee LED lights, and also a USB hub. Now when I was trying to play videos on YouTube, I was actually able to play a 4K video without any stutter or any problems whatsoever. Now let's try out the speakers as well. The Mini Air 11 does come with a speaker. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built in. Let's just turn it up a bit here. We're at 50%. We're gonna bump it up to 100%. So as you can see here, the speaker does work well. The bass is not really existing at all, but that's okay. At least it comes with the speakers. Let's try out if it does better on like speeches, like when you're watching YouTube videos and someone is explaining something.
Everybody just
What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back on video, and today we're looking at the Chewy Mini Book X. It also comes with a smart stylus. Here we go. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified on next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.
Now let me know in the comments below if that's any good or not. I think it's okay. It does work well and it explains a lot. Now let's try out to have a lot of tabs on our Microsoft Edge. As you could see, I spammed opening a bunch of tabs here. And we're going to try out some programs online and see if it lags at all. So we're going to go on YouTube here. As you could see, even the scrolling is pretty smooth. There's no crashing or anything like that. Actually really good. And here we're watching a video. Again, the tabs are still all there. I haven't closed anything yet. And the video is playing really well. And of course, this depends on your network settings as well. Let's just keep going here. Search up, another video and see if it's gonna lag at all. And as you can see, it's doing really well. I actually find this quite impressed. I'm quite impressed about this as well. Here we're gonna bump up the specs to 4K. There we go. And we're gonna keep playing as well and see how well it does. As you can see here, it's able to play 4K video without any lag at all. I'm pretty impressed with the Mini Air 11, how it's able to withstand all that. The Microsoft Edge tabs are still there. My browser is still full of tabs, and there's no problem at all on playing the video. Here's another everyday task that you might be using, Google Docs. Let's just try to add a new document here and see if we can spam the keyboard and how well it does as well on that. During that test, I didn't find any stutter. It's one-to-one from my keyboard to how it's typing on the screen, so there's no lag at all. Now let's try it on Sheets. Note that in all these tests, I'm not closing any tabs at all, as you can see up there. The docs are still there, the sheets still there. I'm just using another tab and opening another tab so that I can open another one. So for example, we're gonna try out another suite here from Google. Let's try to make a PowerPoint now. It's called Google Slides. Here we go. Just make a new document. I'm gonna try to change the themes this time and see how well it does. I didn't find any problems on the scrolling at all. Now I would definitely recommend this for people who wants to use the Mini Air 11 for everyday tasks. It would have no problem at all. The Intel Celeron does put up a lot, and the 8 gigs of RAM helps a lot. And if ever it gets really slow or anything like that, you can always add another 8 gig RAM on there, and then you'll be good to go. Now let's test out how fast the SSDs are. As you can see, pretty decent as well. It's putting out about 500, averaging around maybe 400. Not bad at all. With the Mini Air 11, it also only has integrated graphics, but again, with the Celeron, it has a quad core at 2 gigahertz. Plenty of power for everyday tasks. I wouldn't actually edit videos here because maybe not too intense anyway. It'll do like a menial task, nothing too crazy, not 4K editing or anything like that. And I wouldn't do any gaming here as well unless it's compatible with the Celeron processor.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new mini PC. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I'll link everything down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.